Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and life is good for you. Again, a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel and who is watching the videos. I would also like to give a special shout out to Markus, who became my first Patreon. This supports the channel a lot, and 100% of the money will be used to improve the channel with better camera equipment, software for editing, or some gasoline for my car to bring you more footage from dealers all around the world. I will try my best to support any of my Patreons with watch buying advice and everything else you would like to know to give you something back for supporting this channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the full unboxing of the DateJust reference 126234, which is the 36mm version in oyster steel and 18 karat white gold on Jubilee bracelet with blue dial. As you know, I picked up this piece during my tour around all the Rolex stores in Dubai. I couldn't find this piece in the displays, but one dealer picked it up from the vault after asking for it. He also mentioned it was ordered by someone, but I could have it if I want to. As I was lusting for a DateJust for so long now, and it seems like you can't pick up this piece whenever you want, I pulled the trigger. So before we get into the unboxing, let me show you the DateJust models in the Rolex Catalogue. I was always wondering what kind of book people got with their watch, and now I know it finally. The official Rolex 2020 Catalogue. If you want to directly start with the unboxing, I put you the timestamp into the description. So the catalogue welcomes you with the words, to quote it, "Perpetual excellence." The word perpetual is inscribed on every Rolex oyster, but more than just a word on a dial, it is a philosophy. It encompasses the vision and values of our founder Hans Wilsdorf. It manifests the timelessness of our watches, our determination to break boundaries, and an aspiration to help build a better world. Rolex has a history of more than a century of continuous improvement and innovation at every level. The pursuit of perpetual excellence has produced new standards of quality, ensured exceptional watchmaking, and a unique after-sales service. Let's move on to the chapter of DateJust. We will skip the smaller DateJust and start directly with the 36mm size DateJust. On the left side, you can see the full steel versions, and on the right side, the Cyclops lens, which was invented by Rolex in 1953 and has become a signature feature of the brand. Moving on, we have the steel version with white gold bezel and steel bracelet, and case with white gold bezel and diamond indices on the dial. The left version is the one we are unboxing in a few minutes. Only difference is the dial, as I bought the blue one. Next, we have the oyster steel versions with bezel in white gold and diamonds, and both versions also feature diamonds on the dial. I think the purple dial looks really nice and cool. Now we get to the two-tone that features a fluted 18 karat yellow gold bezel, one with Roman numerals dial and one with diamonds on the dial. On the right side, we have the full diamond versions.
Now this seminar this weekend concerns a subject.
And the rose gold versions, which are actually not really my taste, to be frank with you. Moving on to the 41mm, starting with full steel again, and on the right side we see the new calibre 3235, which has a nice 70 hours of power reserve, shock and magnetic resistance, and is super precise. So actually this is the movement that is also in the watch we are going to unbox now. Next, all white gold and oyster steel versions.
And so in every art one realizes there comes a point where your will is exhausted. You've tried everything to make something work, and it won't.
Then the two-tone variants.
Then to achieve the perfection of the art, something has to happen of itself.
And last but not least, the rose gold versions again. So this is the full range of DateJust 36 and 41. Of course, you can mix and match between bracelets, materials, dials and bezels. Best if you check out the official Rolex website for that to find your perfect combination. Let's start the unboxing now. My first Rolex watch in Rolex gift paper. This is actually a free service, which you can probably request also at your local authorized dealer. It looked very professional how the sales representative wrapped the box. I'm wondering if they train their people for that. And the white Rolex paper card box. Let's check the weight of the full set. And it comes at around 1 kg, similar to all other models in the medium size box. Here you can see item number of the box and M, which stands for medium box. Let's open the box, and there we find the green Rolex watch box. The superlative chronometer certificate and the hang tag with your recommended retail price and reference. So are you ready? Let's open the box and enjoy this beautiful piece. In the small compartment at the top we find the user manual. As usually, I will show you all pages so you can just stop the video to read more about the watch. Additionally, we find the warranty manual in the small leather pocket and the warranty card with your ID, date when you bought the watch and your signature. I heard rumors that Rolex wants to get rid of the signature. I think that would be a pity, as it is pretty nice to have your signature on the card. So I hope they don't do that. Especially when you hand it over to your children one day, it would be nice to have your signature in the card. Still, I would love to have an update of the box. Keep the size or make it even smaller, but the feeling should be more sturdy and robust. And here it is up close. The white gold fluted bezel with blue dial on Jubilee bracelet. With that, guys, I think I talked enough. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will leave you alone with the watch now. I hope to see you all soon again. Stay safe and bye bye.